severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, western Murray County in southern Oklahoma, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Oscar, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, Velma, Tatums, Loco, Radcliffe City, Graham, Pooville, Grady, Milo, Oscar, Cornish, and Fox. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.